What is the hardest time on radiators? Winter or summer? We're going to discuss that next.
This video is sponsored by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper. Visit us online for more information.
Winter is actually harder on radiators, simply because all of the road salt and also the de-icers they put on the road can find their way onto the fins and corrode the aluminum and also the brazing that holds it together. When this happens, the radiator can corrode and eventually fail and develop leaks. When this happens, you need to replace that radiator. On today's modern vehicles, it's a little bit more difficult because it's more lower on the vehicle. When you're replacing a radiator during the wintertime, you need to pay attention. Make sure all the cooling fans are working properly, the thermostat, and other things that control the engine coolant temperature. The cold weather can mask a cooling problem. Look at the radiator cap. Make sure that radiator cap is functioning properly and it keeps the correct pressure for the vehicle. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.